Hello everyone. I Rajni welcome you all in YTS study time. Hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Today I am going to explain you future continuous tense. First of all we should know that what is future continuous tense. आखिर होता क्या है? Okay? So let's see. We use the future continuous tense to talk about the actions, to talk about those actions that we had planned to do in the future. जो हमने प्लान कर रखा है कि आगे हम करेंगे. That we had already planned. Okay. For this we have two helping verbs. Two helping verbs होती हैं हमारी. Two helping verbs. What are they? Shall and then again will. We have to add be with both of this. Shall be and will be. Okay. As I told you, where we use shall and where we use will. So we use shall with we and I. These are the two subjects where we use shall. And rest of the subjects we have to use will. Okay. So let's start with affirmative. So affirmative. First of all, whenever we're going to start to make any sentence to translate in Hindi to English, we should know how we can recognize it. In Hindi, we can recognize future continuous by seeing the words raha hoga, rahe honge or rahi hogi. At the end, the continue process should be going on. उस समय में उसने फ्यूचर में जो प्लानिंग की है वो काम उसका काफी लंबे समय तक चलता रहेगा. सो दैट इज रहेगा, रहेंगी और रहूंगा. ओके. नाउ इन इंग्लिश हाउ वी कम टू नो दैट दिस सेंटेंस बिलोंग टू फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सो सिंपल इज वी हैव टू लुक द हेल्पिंग वर्ब दैट इज विल एंड शेल एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर देयर इज बी, B-E-B. Will be or shall be. Okay. So this is the rule. Subject will, shall, be, first form of the verb. With verb in continuous form we have to add ing and after that object. Let's see the example. कल हम खेल रहे होंगे. So tomorrow the word you can use starting, maybe you can use in starting or you can use at the end also. Okay. So if you want to add tomorrow at first, so tomorrow. Okay. And then we shall be playing. Or you can write this sentence like this also. We shall be playing tomorrow. Yes. समय को आप आगे या समय को आप पीछे रख सकते हैं. It's about according to you. So this is the affirmative. Let's move on. Negative. Negative sentences. As by the name only we know that negative नकारात्मक, जिसमें काम होता ही नहीं है या नहीं हो रहा होगा या नहीं होगा. Yes. So let's see the rule. Subject will, shall, not, be. We have to add not in between shall and be or will and be. Will not be, shall not be. First form of the verb. With verb we have to add ing and then object. Okay. So let's see the example. Example is तुम बाजार नहीं जा रहे होगे. That subject you will not be going to market. This is the negative. We have to use not in between will and be. Will not be, first form of the verb ing, and then object, that is to market. Okay, so let's move on. Interrogative. Interrogative, प्रश्नवाचक, always ask questions with us, but there is a two way to ask the questions. First, the sentence started with क्या. जब हमारा हिंदी में सेंटेंस क्या से शुरू हो रहा होता है, तब हम उस सेंटेंस को किस तरीके से बनाते हैं. एंड इफ द क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स इन बिटवीन द सेंटेंस, यदि वही क्वेश्चन वर्ड, प्रश्नवाचक जो शब्द है, वो सेंटेंस के बीच में हो, तो हम उसको कैसे बनाएंगे. सो देयर इज अ रूल फॉर बोथ द इंटरोगेटिव. तो फर्स्ट, व्हेन द सेंटेंस स्टार्ट विद क्या, we have to start to make the sentence with a helping verb, that is will and shall. Will, shall, subject, be. Will, shall, and then subject, and then be. First form of the verb ing, object, question mark. Interrogative sentences always end with a question mark. Okay, so there is this example, क्या वह खाना खा रहा होगा. समटाइम हम किसी की चिंता करते हैं, तो ऑन दैट टाइम वी थिंक कि क्या वह खाना खा रहा होगा. यस, या वह क्या खा रहा होगा. बोथ द सेंटेंस आर इन फ्यूचर एंड इन कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म, एंड वी हैव टू रूल्स टू मेक दीज सेंटेंसेस. तो फर्स्ट, द सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट, द सेंटेंस स्टार्टेड विद क्या. विल ही बी, first form ing, will he be eating food. Will he be eating food? The question, कि क्या वह खा रहा होगा. Yes, and the second part, the second interrogative rule is if question words, if question words comes in between. Look, the question words comes in between. So how we have to make the sentence? The rule is question word, subject, will, shall, be, first form ing, object, and question mark. So how we can make it? I will make this sentence. I can write here. Then only it is visible to you. वह क्या. तो first we have to write question word. Question word means what, and then subject, what he will be, what he will be eating, वो क्या खा रहा होगा, कैसे रह रहा होगा. Sometimes we have some queries about someone else who is living far from us. जब कोई हमसे दूर रहता है, तो हम ये कैसे रह रहा होगा, क्या खा रहा होगा. These questions comes in our mind, and the question related to the future continuous tense. Okay, so let's revise once again. So let's revise the things. Future continuous tense, affirmative. Affirmative rule is subject, will, shall, be, first form of the verb ing and object. The example is धोबी कपड़े धो रहा होगा. Washerman will be washing clothes. The continuous form, the negative rule, subject, will, shall, not, be, first form of the verb ing, and then object. Example, धोबी कपड़े नहीं धो रहा होगा. Washerman will not be washing clothes. Okay, now interrogative. The interrogative, will, shall, subject, be, first form of the verb ing and object, end with question mark. Let's see the example. क्या धोबी कपड़े धो रहा होगा. We have to ask and we have to put the question mark at the end. So will washerman be washing clothes? So my dear students, hope I am able to explain the future continuous tense to you, and wait for my next series that will be present perfect. So for the time being, thank you, take care, bye bye.